Welcome back, ambitious entrepreneurs and creative innovators. If you've been looking for ways to start, scale, or upgrade your small business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 16 incredible small business machines available on Amazon that are practical, innovative, and profit-friendly. These tools don't require a massive warehouse or complicated setup. They're designed to make your work easier, your products better, and your business more competitive. Whether you're in food production, custom crafts, event services, or creative industries, these machines can transform your ideas into revenue-generating operations. From machines that make your events unforgettable to high-precision production tools, we'll cover all the details you need to start using them effectively and professionally. Number 1. SAYOK Inflatable Cash Cube. Imagine walking into a trade show and seeing a cube filled with flying cash or coupons, with participants diving and grabbing what they can. This is exactly what the SAYOK Inflatable Cash Cube brings to the table. Beyond being a fun attraction, it's a strategic marketing tool that creates buzz, draws crowds, and increases brand visibility instantly. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand repeated use, while quick setup and portability allow you to move it from event to event. Perfect for promotions, store openings, or interactive experiences, this machine doesn't just entertain. It encourages customer interaction and memorable brand engagement, which can translate into higher sales and loyal customers. Users have consistently praised its stability, ease of use, and the energy it adds to any event. Number 2. PicoBrew Zymatic. For aspiring craft brewers, the PicoBrew Zymatic offers an all-in-one automated brewing system that turns your home or small workspace into a professional quality brewery. With access to over 100 award-winning recipes, you can experiment with flavors and styles without needing prior experience. Its smartphone integration allows full control over the brewing process, ensuring precision and consistency with every batch. Small business owners can craft signature beers for local markets, tasting events, or online sales. Entrepreneurs love how this machine combines creativity, efficiency, and quality control, making it ideal for turning a hobby into a profitable craft beverage business. The Zymatic's compact footprint and intuitive design also make it feasible for small spaces. Number 3. VEVOR Chamber Vacuum Sealer. The VEVOR Chamber Vacuum Sealer is an indispensable tool for anyone in the food industry, from home-based meal prep businesses to small catering operations. It offers powerful vacuum sealing that extends the shelf life of perishable items, including meats, cheeses, and baked goods. Its spacious interior and reliable build allow processing of large quantities efficiently, which is ideal for bulk orders or commercial kitchens. Customers praise its durable construction, consistent vacuum strength, and ease of cleaning, making it a dependable choice for daily use. Beyond food, this machine can also seal non-food items for packaging or protection, providing versatility for creative entrepreneurs who sell kits, components, or specialty goods. Number 4. Cricut EasyPress 3. The Cricut EasyPress 3 is perfect for anyone interested in custom apparel and textile products. Combining precise heat and consistent pressure, it ensures designs are transferred flawlessly onto t-shirts, bags, and more. Its companion app provides step-by-step instructions for flawless results, making it accessible even for beginners. Compact yet powerful, the EasyPress 3 is ideal for small home studios, online fashion shops, and boutique businesses. Entrepreneurs benefit from its durability, accuracy, and portability, which allow them to create high-quality, professional designs without investing in bulky or expensive equipment. This machine transforms simple ideas into sellable, custom products that keep customers coming back. Number 5. Oil Press Machine. The Oil Press Machine is a game-changer for small businesses focused on health foods, specialty oils, or artisanal production. With dual motors, it can process multiple batches simultaneously, extracting oils from seeds, nuts, and grains. Its energy-efficient, low-noise operation makes it practical for both home and small commercial use. Entrepreneurs appreciate the machine's durability, automated functionality, and consistent output, which ensures premium quality every time. It opens opportunities to produce fresh, customizable oils for direct sales, online orders, or farmers markets, adding both profit and credibility to your brand. Number 6. Badge Maker Machine. The Badge Maker Machine is ideal for custom accessory businesses or event service providers. It allows creation of badges with logos, text, or images, perfect for events, schools, clubs, and corporate promotions. With easy operation and precision crafting, this machine is accessible for hobbyists and professional creators alike. Business owners love how it supports bulk orders, online customization services, and event merchandising, offering a constant demand across multiple industries. Its compact design, reliability, and creative potential make it a profitable tool for any entrepreneur looking to merge craftsmanship with commercial opportunity. Number 7. FoxAlien Masuter Pro. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro is a versatile CNC router that combines industrial precision with compact usability. Its all-metal frame and advanced control software allow detailed engraving and cutting of materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Small businesses can create custom furniture, signage, or prototype models with exceptional accuracy. Users consistently highlight its sturdy construction, responsive software, and reliable performance, which make it a must-have for those who want to produce high-quality, market-ready items. Its flexibility also allows entrepreneurs to scale production while maintaining creative control over their projects. Number 8. Tufting Gun. The Tufting Gun is a revolutionary tool for textile artisans. It allows creators to make custom carpets, rugs, and fabric art faster and more accurately than traditional hand techniques. This machine offers precise pattern control, speed, and professional quality results, making it ideal for both hobbyists and businesses producing custom interior decor or textile products. Entrepreneurs can cater to high-end customers seeking unique, handcrafted items. With its durability and ease of operation, the Tufting Gun ensures long-term business efficiency while offering endless creative possibilities for your small-scale textile venture. Number 9. Soap-making kit. The soap-making kit opens the door to the handmade wellness and gift market. It includes everything you need to start creating custom soaps: fragrance oils, colorants, molds, and packaging materials. This kit empowers entrepreneurs to develop unique, eco-friendly products that appeal to health-conscious and artisanal shoppers. The process is both creative and rewarding, allowing small businesses to offer personalized items for gifts, boutique shops, and online marketplaces. With growing demand for natural, aesthetically pleasing products, the kit provides a low-barrier entry point into a profitable craft business, encouraging experimentation with scents, shapes, and designs that captivate customers. Number 10. Candle-making kit. The candle-making kit is another must-have for those entering the handcrafted home decor industry. It allows the production of custom-shaped scented candles, perfect for gifts, weddings, or boutique sales. Entrepreneurs love the ability to mix colors, fragrances, and textures, creating distinctive products that stand out in a crowded marketplace. The kit fosters creativity and is designed for ease of use, making it suitable for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Small business owners benefit from the ability to offer themed or seasonal collections, build brand recognition, and tap into high-margin products with minimal space and effort. Number 11. Automatic concealer. The automatic concealer is a key asset for small beverage businesses. It ensures airtight, leak-free sealing for cans of soda, juice, energy drinks, or other liquids. Efficiency and precision are critical here, and this machine delivers both, allowing entrepreneurs to meet customer demand while maintaining product quality. Its versatility handles various sizes and sealing pressures, making it ideal for startups, microbreweries, or homemade beverage brands. Small-scale operators appreciate how it reduces waste, prevents contamination, and ensures a professional product presentation, all while boosting operational efficiency in food and drink production. Number 12. T-shirt heat press machine. The T-shirt heat press machine is indispensable for small businesses in the custom apparel and merchandising industry. This machine applies consistent heat and pressure, producing durable, vibrant designs on T-shirts, hats, bags, and more. High-volume production is manageable thanks to programmable settings for temperature, time, and pressure, which ensures repeatable, professional results. Ideal for startups, online stores, or local print shops, it turns creative designs into tangible, sellable products quickly, enabling entrepreneurs to expand their product lines efficiently while maintaining top-notch quality and precision. Number 13. Laser cleaning machine. The laser cleaning machine is a compact, eco-friendly tool for small businesses in manufacturing, automotive, or industrial maintenance sectors. Using advanced laser technology, it removes rust, paint, and surface contaminants without chemicals, protecting the base material while boosting productivity. Its portable design and precision targeting allow use in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, making it perfect for field services or small workshops. Business owners appreciate the machine for efficiency, repeatable results, and environmentally safe operation, allowing them to deliver professional-grade surface preparation and restoration services with minimal effort. Number 14. Lens Edge Polisher. For entrepreneurs in optical production or eyewear customization, the Lens Edge Polisher is a professional-grade solution. It shapes and smooths lenses to fit frames perfectly, reducing manual labor and increasing throughput. Automated functions, adjustable timing, and high-speed polishing wheels ensure consistent quality and clean edges for all types of lenses. Small businesses benefit from the ability to deliver precise, polished products quickly, meeting growing demand for customized eyewear. This tool is a must for startups seeking to combine efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction in the optical retail market. Number 15, balloon stuffing machine. The balloon stuffing machine transforms ordinary balloons into surprise-packed decorative experiences. It allows entrepreneurs to add toys, confetti, or LED lights, creating custom products for events, parties, and marketing campaigns. Its simple operation means that even small teams can produce a high volume of creative items quickly, capitalizing on a festive and constantly growing market. Event planners, party supply businesses, and online sellers benefit from its efficiency, novelty appeal, and ability to attract attention, making this machine an ideal investment for turning celebration-themed products into revenue. Number 16. WantJoin Cup Sealing Machine. Finally, the WantJoin Cup Sealing Machine is essential for any small beverage business, especially in the bubble tea, smoothie, or cold drink sector. It seals cups quickly and maintains hygiene, product freshness, and spill prevention, allowing entrepreneurs to manage high-demand orders effortlessly. Its automated counting feature adds operational control, ensuring accurate production tracking throughout the day. Perfect for cafes, kiosks, or mobile drink services, this machine empowers businesses to serve more customers efficiently, maintain quality, and scale operations while building a professional, customer-friendly service environment. There you have it. 16 small business machines from Amazon that can help you launch, grow, or upgrade your hustle, all without requiring a massive warehouse or complex setup. From creative crafts and custom products to food and beverage production, each machine is designed to maximize efficiency, enhance quality, and open up new revenue streams. These tools empower entrepreneurs to transform ideas into profitable ventures, making it easier than ever to turn passion into a business that thrives. If you found this guide useful, make sure to check the links in the description, like, comment, and subscribe for more practical business tips and product recommendations. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, these machines are your next step toward building a successful, scalable small business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your entrepreneurial success.